getting back to the academic question, a lot of what we, there's a mismatch in all aspects of knowledge between sort of what specialists know and what sort of the general public knows. Science is a really clear example of that. And on the one hand, people that kind of have the specialized knowledge can just sort of say, well, who cares what people think? That's not who I'm interacting with. But we should care. And, things like global warming or evolution or something, these are kind of big questions that have a very sort of clear kind of social public policy relevance. Yiddish, kind of clarifying that Yiddish is a real language and not just a dialect of German, that may not necessarily have big public policy implications. But it does have some very important implications in terms of like understanding what it means to be Jewish, right? Or how languages work, or what does it mean when we say that languages are in contact with one another. And then the sort of kind of raising the consciousness about sort of how language and identity kind of intersect with one another. That's kind of important, And this is where I think that academics can do some public good, right? By sort of like taking the fruits of our knowledge out to, the general the curious general public.